Hi there. This is a demonstration of your ValPal Pro platform. Once you log in, you will be able to view your leads in this section over here. A couple of things that you can see is the address, contact info, what nurture journey your lead is in, what source your lead came from, the date, if there were a positive outcome marked by the AI, the valuation amount average, the type of valuation, the funnel status, and any notes that you have added to the contact. We do have a filter section, so you can search the contact's information that you have received via the email. You are also able to search via their actual status marked by the AI. You can select the nurture campaign. If you are a multi-branch, you can search via a date range. You can also show your out of area leads if you are only nurturing in area. You can also filter by the funnel statuses and the valuation types. If you are a multi-branch and you would like to transfer leads to your other branches, you are able to select the leads and select the branch and transfer. You can also bulk delete if need be by selecting the contacts and hitting the delete button. When going into a contact, you will be able to see the following. At the top section over here, we have an edit section with the status that I have set. The edit section will show you the marketing preferences, and you can also delete your contact from this section, which I will show you in a second. You can see the email click rate, the SMS delivery and sent. You can add additional notes and set statuses. You are also able to view the last summary of the AI conversation, where you can show all chats as well. You are able to view the property valuation information. We are able to store up to 3 property valuation requests, the journey, status, and the content thereof, and any notes that you have made on the lead. We also show an activity log, which just shows the journey of that contact. For the edit section, this is where you can update the contact, set their preferences, and delete the contact. When showing all chats, you can view the full chat transcript, and you can also listen to the call. You can also set the speed of the call as well as download the call as well. For the content sections, you are able to see the message subject and type. Our emails specifically have call to action buttons and tips based, and we will also provide you with the content that is sent out in our SMSs. You can add a contact back into Nurture from this section. And once that is completed, if you click back to Overview, this button will appear. This button is only available if your contact is in Nurture. You have full control whether you would like to stop Nurture or start it by simply clicking Stop Nurture. That is the full tour of your platform. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your account manager. Thank you very much.